guys, welcome back to my channel. And so today is going to be all about the glow. That's why we're glowing from different sides. I'm going to use the Face Glow Primer by Butter London. And if you have this primer, you have to make sure that you close the lid, because if any oxygen gets in here, it's going to completely dry out your product. Okay, so now step 2 for the face glow. We're going to use the Gold Glitz by Smashbox. Now we are glowing. Look at this. Glow. Okay, so step 3, we're going to use this primer. I love this primer. Remember how I told you guys in the other video? For minimizing the appearance of fine lines. And I'm going to use it here.
I probably should have done before, but it's okay. It's just makeup. It's fun.
Okay, since I'm getting ready for work, I don't have time to put on eyeshadow, but I'm still gonna be glowing, so it's okay. It's just gonna make it faster and easier for you guys. So for foundation, I'm going to use the Lancome. I'm painting. Look at myself. I feel like I'm painting like because of the canvas. Look at this. Why? When did this happen? Oh well, guys. It's okay.
Why?
Still cute though. So now for concealer, we're gonna use the Shape Tape again in the color light medium. I'm feeling artistic today, so let's do a heart. So I'm gonna get my sponge from Tarte and spray it with the Marabadesco spray because we want to be hydrated, extra hydration. So now for bronzer, I'm going to use my favorite bronzer, which is the Chocolate Matte Bronzer by Too Faced. Like, it's beautiful. Glow, glowing, glowing. We're going to glow. Oh my god, what is that? No, guys, forget that. And contouring the double chin, because you guys know, like, I haven't been working out in a while, so gotta make an illusion. Just worked out. Okay. For the ultimate glow, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow. Literally, look at this beauty. Like, just look at it. And yes, as you can tell, I used it like every day of my life since I got it. But it's too cute because you want to glow like every day. Okay. Okay, okay, look at me. So for eyeliner, I'm going to use the No Tug eyeliner by It Cosmetics. This thing is amazing. And we're gonna want to bring it up here too, in the upper lash. And for mascara, today I'm going to use the Stroke of Wow by Butter London. This thing is so amazing. I fell in love with it my first try. For the inner corner pop, I don't know if I should use this eyeshadow or if I should use this eye gloss by Butter London. Boom, 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 boom. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. A beautiful, beautiful, beautiful cooking. And for lip liner, I'm going to use Nude Suede Shoes by NYX Cosmetics. I need to sharpen this. I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, I'm back. Don't cry. I'm back. I'm here with the sharpener. Here I go. And I lost the lip liner. So for lipstick, I'm going to use this one by Bare Minerals in the color Slay. Slay. Slay.